Discover why the Nike Zoom Vomero 5 continues to dominate the retro tech runner movement as we head into 2026. While trends come and go fast, this 2000s performance model proves its staying power with new upcoming colorways. Unlike classic 80s sneakers with limited cushioning, the Vomero 5 stands strong with comfort and tech that still competes with today's modern running shoes. If you've tried them, you already know the hype is real. If not, this might be the perfect time to explore what makes this silhouette a fan favorite. Nike is set to drop a sleek men's pair early next year, featuring a clean mix of black, gray, and silver that creates a smooth late-night aesthetic without relying on neon or wild materials. Priced at $170, this release blends everyday wearability with throwback appeal. Stay tuned as we break down why the Vomero 5 remains one of the most reliable and stylish runners in Nike's lineup.